Do a quick video from Storm Jonas. Liam's making a little igloo. I like what you're doing. I like your style. I gave up on my husband.
Hi.
I was out here, I don't know. It felt like 4 hours, but I know that's not what it was.
You helped though.
I did help. I put in the effort.
Yeah.
And now he has to do the rest. Because I just can't. I was like, I'm all set now.
I think we should petition to not have to clear the sidewalks.
I think so too. We pay enough in taxes. And my other two kids are over here.
We're making a thing.
An igloo? You gonna throw that at Mama?
This is my signature move. Ready?
Oh, that's nice. Oh,
It's gonna
Thank you.
shine. Look closely.
oh. Yeah, so we 30 inches. That's what the count was for Long Island. It's pretty accurate.
I'm sinking.
Kids are happy. Did you get in there?
No.
Not yet.
This is what I do.
With your head?
Look at
You're gonna be. That's how you dig? What are you, a rhino?
Look at it.
Oh, I have to fix the baby's glove.
And this.
Okay, go ahead. All right, hold on, guys.